Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 47-inch wooden table, kitchen table or dining table that this brand sent to me for this video. This thing was super easy to assemble. Number one, it was super easy. I think it took me about 20 minutes, no more than that. I was just like doing by myself. With power tools, took me about in between 15 to 20 minutes. It is super easy to assemble. Then it is 47 inches wide and about 30 inches tall. So it's kind of like, as you can see over here, I'm 5'10", and I can see perfectly here. And I want to say that it's comfortable. It's for 4 people. So you can see that you can put 4 chairs here. This one is missing because I wanted to have like a better view of the table. But for 4 people, it is perfect. 6 people, you can do it as well. You can put one more chair there, one more chair there, or two right here on the side. 8 people, definitely not. I mean, unless they're like 8 kids or something like that, I will say not. But 4 people or 4 adults and 2 kids or 6 adults could be really good. 4 people, ideal. Then the other good thing about this one that I really like, let me show you, is the surface. I gotta say that it has a really nice and smooth surface right here with this wooden table. And this thing is really heavy. That's the thing that I want to say about this one. It is really heavy. You're not gonna need like help in transporting from one place to another if you're assembling in one place and moving it to the kitchen or to the living room or something like that. But it is quite heavy, so that's actually translated into good quality because these pieces of wood were just like 4 pieces right here and 4 legs. Actually, they're 4 legs and 2 big pieces of metal, means that this one is gonna be like not flimsy at all, but it's gonna be really solid. And the other thing that I like about this one is that the legs are full wooden pieces. They're full, I want to say, like 4 big and thick wooden pieces with 2 metal parts, one on the bottom, as you can see, and one up here, which is holding in place everything. And also, on each one of the corners, you're gonna find kind of like a rubber pads that you can unscrew and screw in case that your floor is uneven. So you can actually use that one to kind of like level up the floor. I mean, not the floor, but the table in case that the floor is uneven. So I gotta say that this is a really nice and fine table, super solid, really big, 47 inches wide, 30 inches tall, and it's perfect for 4 people up to 6 if you want to call it that way. Super easy to assemble as well. I like it. It's my new dining table for sure, and the kitchen at least.